Today we're going to make homemade chili. You'll need a pound of ground beef, 3 cans of chili beans, your choice, a can of tomato juice, which is 46 ounces, an onion, and a pack of your chili mix. I use McCormick. You can do the hot or the original. We're going to start browning the pound of hamburger, and you'll cook that all the way through till done. And then once that's almost done, we'll add in the onion and cook that till it's translucent. And then we'll add that mixture into the crock pot. For the onion, I chop and then I mince it in a chopper. Once you're cooking the meat, you want to salt and pepper to your liking. The meat is almost done brown, so I'm going to add in the onion. And like I said, you can chop it to your liking. And then we'll just put the cover back on and let that cook a little bit. And when that's done, we're going to drain the juices off. We're just going to go ahead and add the ingredients while the meat's finalizing. So you add the whole can of tomato juice, shake it up a little bit before you open it. And then each can of beans, pour the whole can in. There's 3 cans total. Just kind of sprinkle that in, the whole packet. And then I kind of stir it up a little bit. And then just drain the juices off your hamburger and onions. Juice off. So I'm going to go ahead and just add that into the crock pot. And then just mix it up. And then you'll cover, cook on high for about, you can do 3 hours or let it go all day. You can switch it to low. If you want to go all day, switch the crock pot to low. If you want the chili sooner, leave it on high for about 3 hours. 3 hours later, on high, the chili's ready.